fold back the way.
这回呢，我们
And in this, you are going to move a little bit like this.
有加一些自然动作，
Keeping your feet close.
手脚并用。
Choose hands. And go. Stop.
好，
Release your hands. Focus around your hands at the back of your knee.
感受到我们的双手和膝盖部，
And your heartbeat.
可以感受一下我们心跳的变化。
Can you open your eyes?
张开眼睛。
Some old texts believe that Lord Shiva, before starting the dance, he does this exercise.
有一些我们的舞者在跳舞之前呢，都会先热身的话，都是一些简单的踢脚。
His name is, this name is called as Nataraja.
这个佛像的名字就叫
Nata Raja. Nata means acting.
修，表演。
Action. Only action. Acting. Facial expression. You do acting. Actress. Actor.
actor 演员。
Acting. Nata Raja. King of acting.
希望噻。
King of acting. He is the king of dance, king of acting. God. Nataraja.
这位神呢，就是说他是舞蹈之神、表演之神，就是从他的肢体上面他是最厉害的。在
One beautiful thing we observed just now. Some of you felt yawning? Yes.
睡觉的感觉。
Yes. No. They felt I saw. It's because body is going into a deeper phase of relaxation internally, so you'll get yawning.
是今天比较累。
Two, 1, 2.
明白吗？不一定是想睡觉的感觉。
So what I mean is body is relaxing deeply by working on
身体
muscles
就
and
是说
circulation.
虽然说我们不一定是真的是想睡觉啊，根据不自觉的这种身体给我们的一些反应，就是说你很累了，就休息一会这样。
Keep your legs apart.
是这样看，
Bend like this.
先这样子下地。
If you can, make your legs like this totally.
如果可以的话，可以一边开一边下，
Keep your hands on the knees
手放膝盖上，
and bend down as much as you can.
尽量的。
Come on.
慢慢支撑，
Again bend.
下。
What stretch you are feeling? Usually I use this stretch for pregnant ladies.
这个
Around
是
9 months.
对于我们很多孕妇的训练上面的可以感受到我们大腿肌肉的一个慢慢拉伸，慢慢支撑，
Squat down.
慢慢蹲下，
More push up.
尽量的往
Slow
下
down. Gently.
保持
Slowly come up.
支撑，
Relax.
放松。
Close your eyes and focus on those areas.
好，闭上眼睛去感受一下我们大腿热量的变化。
Will you open your eyes? Same technique.
同样的方式呢，
You're going to bend in the same way, but you're going to lift one leg like this.
我们在蹲下的同时会左右的摆脚，抬一点。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Slowly go.
其实
He has done the technique right. Others are doing like this. Easy one. So we will bend like this. What I mean is without getting up totally.
意思是说我们不需要上肢不动，就光动的，
Just twist.
动。
Yes. See the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
你
6,
可以明显的感觉到我们脊椎
9,
的
10. Stop.
左右的一个摇动。
Stop. 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 Slowly come up.
其实
我想你早上整奶奶的，
I want you to sit down.
随便的，随便做，再小一点好。
Sit down and focus on those muscles around you.
抬抬比较疼痛的感觉啊，这个时候我们的感觉应该会更加的深刻。
Relax like this.
那这样放松。
Notice your back of your knees, hip joint, and heartbeat.
感受我们的心跳，我们身上肌肉刚才的肌肉。
Do the next practice.
翻一个，
It's like a fish.
我们看一下这个姿势可能会跟鱼有点相似。
See, my main work is mainly I'm focusing on the lower body of yours to make it tired so that mentally there is body will redistribute its blood supply and bring more blood towards lower part of the body and your head feels sleep.
这个姿势的让你是这样子的，有一些反扣的姿势，让我们的下肢供体不足，而我们的大脑就会反应，让我们的血液去供给下肢。那么这种时候相对的，我们大脑供给血液就会稍微的缺失一点，而这种方式呢是让我们的大脑去帮助大脑的一个方向。
Similarly, how after having your lunch you feel like having a sleep nap after lunch.
尽量的，如果说只是做一个反扣的动作，如果能做到就做，不能做到或者很痛的话，
It is not possible in this. So this one student is like me. This
这个
student.
有问题最好不要做。
Somebody like me, I'm happy. Somebody like me, I'm happy.
因为其实老师的肢体也不是非常的灵活，
But these people's brain works too much, body not work so much.
可以说是
Correct?
你的大脑运作的比身体更多。
Correct? Am I right? Compared to your friends, your close friends, you are working at the level of mind is too much.
他说跟你的朋友相比的话，你应该大脑的工作比身体工作更多一点，
Correct?
是不是这样？solo，
Lie down.
如果可以的话，把我们的就是可以这样子的，你们完全可以放这样
And
子。
you touch like this.
可以就这样子，你看，你就这样
It
子，
looks like fish.
可以就这样子，可以就这样子。
No?
我就做这个。
Now,
我就做这个。
now,
我就做这个。
now,
我就做这个。
now, Not that
cannot do your gesture. We cannot do your gesture.
Really?
Yeah. Only one hand.
Yeah. In the same posture, put a pressure on the head and raise your upper body like this. No problem.
可以这样子嘛，把我们的头
If it's not possible like this, say if this is not possible, lay like this, and just put your head. Put your head like this.
你也不需要，你就可以把头挺直就可以了。
Okay.
挺直就行。不需要挺直就可以了。
You're supporting your head to the back
让我们的头去支撑一点后背。
and lifting the lower part of the neck up.
能
You can do it for now.
尽量的把头抵住我们的底
Yes. Okay. Just focus on the shoulders and around the legs.
看到这个姿势上，我们的腿其实拉伸动作应该不是很大，而更大的是我们的头在往上顶的动作要比较明
I
显。
think this technique is not possible for you. I think you release. You do other one.
好，感受一下之后，我们换另外一个姿势。
Stop. Not good. Sit like this.
换一个姿势。
This is very easy. Sit like this. Put your legs apart.
稍微的分开，
Take hands backwards like this.
手像这样子，
Support elbow.
用我们的手肘去支撑，用我们的手肘去支撑。
Now slowly slide your hands sideways and touch your head backwards like this.
慢慢的，如果可以往两边手慢慢的支开，用头去抵住。
And after you touch your head, you can raise the back like this.
如果能够用头抵住的情况下，我们就可以想象把，或者说尽量的把我们的腹部往上
Keep your hands on the thighs. Relax. You can see my bit.
放松。如果不行的话，就用手就可以了。
Taking support of your elbows, you can again get up.
用我们的手肘去支撑，我们起身了。起来。
And bend down and relax.
然后婴儿是放松。 继续。
Get up. And walk in the room. Just maybe in a small circle or one moment. Just completely being aware of those 3 points which I told you before. One
用
here.
我们的用腿小掌的3点去支撑自己。
Okay. 3 points. You're balancing the 3 points of the body. Toe. Both underneath of the big toe, 2 points. Both the feet. Underneath of the little toe, 2 points. Underneath of the heel, 2 points.
我们用大脚趾下面的那一点，小脚趾下面的那一点和我们的脚后跟支撑自己。
Hold your upper body very stiff, like this. Very stiff, like a robot.
尽量的站直，我们像机器人一样，不动不动，
And then walk.
然后走路。
Without bending the knee, without bending the hips, without bending the elbow, without moving the hands like this. You're just walking like this.
我们就是像僵尸一样的，
Maintaining only those 3.
保持这样的一个姿势去走。
动作小，肩上 holding your hands very stiff,
肩也不要动，手也不要动，就动我们的
very stiff. Hands and legs are very stiff like this.
就动我们的脚。
because next technique what you are doing, it will help you. Walk a little fast. Stiff hands, very stiff. It will make your muscles ready for the next exercise.
这个动作呢，让我们准备好为下个动作去。
Because it's all based on the awareness.
这个动作应该可以更加让大家感受到自己意识的
Of the technique.
那感觉。不要一次，
Loosen yourself like this.
放上去。
Completely loose. You can notice I have one deficiency. I think most people noticed or not, I don't know. I have one deficiency. When I'm teaching, I hold my shoulders like this.
老师有些时候，
Usually I hold my shoulders.
上课的时候或者说走路的时候，
Maybe you might have observed.
很多时候都是有点耸肩的。
My shoulders usually will be like this.
很多人说今天是不是去时间有点
Correct? Yes. This is it's because I used to study for minimum 8 to 12 hours like this, sitting with a great medical book.
因为他经常就
Time like
是
this.
做看书啊，做东西啊，
Still I have difficulty in this. People might not have noticed. Okay. Next we'll be doing this exercise.
我们下一个姿势呢，会相对的动作偏大一点啊。
Just one exercise will help all the muscles of the major joints to stretch.
好，这个姿势呢，会结合到我们之前说的动作的肌肉的一个拉扯，因为这个姿势会比较的全能一点。一个姿势呢，可以拉扯到我们全部的背部的、肩部的以及说腿部的肌肉。
The middle of some part, edge of the.
先坐下。
See this I want to use. This is one asana is this. I use little more combinations. I'll make you go lean backwards where you feel the abdominal.
会用一些动作的结合，一定要坐在自己的脚上。
Lean
先往
backwards.
后，
Maintain for a few
一
seconds.
会儿，
1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Come back.
好，回来。
Now onto your both.
然后我
Stand
们
on your heels.
以一个跪姿的姿势，
Raise one leg in front.
然后把一只脚向前，
Completely angle with your body and completely angle with your hip joint.
我们的脚尽量的打直，
Keep your both hands on the
手放在膝盖上，
eyes. Raise the back.
身体前倾的，然后把后面的脚提起来，
Raise hands, hold it up. Namaskar mudra. Raise the hands up.
然后手向上，
And in this, stretch backwards.
然后再往后，
Come back.
回来，
Again, hold Namaskar mudra.
然后
Keep your hands on the
慢慢
eyes.
的放下我们的
Release
手，
the back of your leg.
脚放下，
In places.
右脚收回来，
Sit down.
并坐下去。
Is okay for you?
你做吗？大家你做。
One technique.
这一个姿势可以做
One technique will do maybe 6 to 8 times depending on your strength.
可以根据我们的情况，我们这个姿势会重
You
复
can。lean backwards. Feel the stretch of your ankles and abdomen.
感受到我们脚踝的肚子的拉伸。
Back.
正中，
On your heels and on your knees.
跪姿，
Feel the circulation changes.
然后让我们血液在回流的感觉。这个时候，
Leg in front.
左脚起来，
Make those 3 points stable because you are going to balance the body.
我们的脚一定要尽量的站稳，
Put your body weight a little bit forward.
稍微的前倾，
Raise the other leg backwards.
右脚提起来，
Like Namaskar mudra.
做一个
Raise your hands up.
像手有点直，
Come back.
对不对？
And Namaskar. Place the hands.
放在脚上，
Place the right knee on the
右
back.
脚，
Hold
收回脚脚，
and sit down.
坐下。
Okay for you?
大家做起来开始的时候可能会摇晃，平衡感，但是我们做久了之后
Can you
会，
feel your heartbeat?
这个时候心跳应该会比刚才快一些。
Small. So, if we do some another 6 times, you feel the stretch of different groups of muscles happening. When you're stretching backwards, there is a stretch of shoulders, neck, abdomen.
我们往后轻的时候呢，拉扯的是我们的腹部、
Okay.
脚踝，会有非常明显的拉扯。
When you're sitting, stretch of ankles and knee.
由于我们往后倾，脚踝会被挤压的很多，然后我们跪起来的时候，好吧，继续。
Raise this. When you do this, there is a back of your knee stretch.
这个时候呢，我们对后背的一个拉扯会比较明显。
Stretch backwards and hold as much as you can.
尽量的往后抖。
Release.
你说，
Use that. Take both hands on the knee. Release. I get the back. So, sit down.
坐下。
We have done enough. We want to rest and we want to see and you do.
老师说，我们今天下午做这个姿势太多之后，会比较酸痛一点，然后他就发口令，我就翻译，大家就多做几次。
Ready? Do it.
直接
Do it. Come on your knees.
再跪起来，
Left leg forward.
左脚向前，
Keep your both hands on your knee. Raise the right leg.
就是提起来，
Now comes Mudra. Stretch up.
向上，
Stretch backwards.
向后。
If you are not able to do, you can rest and then stretch.
如果说姿势比较劳累的话，可以像我们这样子的一个轻松一点，
Release.
来，放在头上，放下一只脚，收回另一只脚。
Want you to release your legs a little bit like this.
放松的话就是这样子。